Hello and welcome back to Saber Outdoors. My name, of course, is Mark Alexander, your wonderful host. And guys, today we are back at the range. And guys, there are plenty of people at the range because it's that time of year. It's not really great for fishing, so a lot of people are shooting, hunting. They're doing more other things than fishing. So there's plenty of people here at the range. If you're other people, I've not become a ventriloquist in my off time. It's other people. But guys, today we are doing AK versus AR. Guys, we're gonna have two giants in the gun community. We're gonna try our luck and see whether we can compare, contrast. We're gonna see what it is. This is an AR, guys. This is a Palmetto, I guess. Palmetto State Armory, and guys, I don't know a lot about ARs because I don't shoot ARs that much. I do know how to do that. Of course, I know how to load the thing and such. We're not going to focus on that. Safety is on this side. That way, if you care, we do have a red dot on this, so we're not using the iron sights at all. But guys, that's our AR. You've seen that on the channel before. Now, the new thing on the channel, I have not handled this gun, but just once. So I'm curious to look it over, and I'm looking this right here with you all, the same as anything else. Oh, this has a ladder sight on it. That's sweet. I didn't realize it had one of those, so that's really neat. But you can see AK-47, very well-known, very old design, but it's a design that is world famous for a reason. This design, from what I understand, I could bury it in sand, bury it at the bottom of the lake, and bring it back up, dry it off, and it would still shoot just fine. Guys, we're not doing torture tests today, but we are going to test these two guns against each other. Now, the bullets that these two guns take, guys, it's very similar, but also very different. So, this is what a AR takes. This is what a AK-47 takes. Now, guys, off the top of my head, I know this is 5.56. I believe this is 7.62 by 39. So there is a little difference, but not a ton. But you can see next to each other the small amount of difference. But guys, we're gonna quit talking. We're gonna go to shooting. Well, guys, we're gonna try our luck first with the AK. We're gonna shoot any of the AK shots. They're gonna be on the left. All the AR shots are gonna be on the right. So that way, when we get up there, you'll know kind of which one I'm shooting at. But I've got paper target out there. We're just gonna see what I can do on a paper target.
Don't burn my stock.
All right, guys, gun's safe. We're gonna get our other gun, try our luck with it. All right, guys, we got our AR here, and we're gonna send some lead down the range.
That's all right, Carl. We'll go take a picture. Oh, did you?
Yeah, I tried one and I didn't have my magnification up.
All right, guys, in a minute, we'll go give it a look. All right, guys, let's go give it a look and see if we was able to hit anything. I will tell you, when I shoot an AR, as soon as I shot it, it whooped to one side, so. Well, guys, we're just gonna have to hope we do better with the AR, because all we have on it is just one hit right at the top. So, guys, we're gonna have to be kind of close on it, but my little stick that I was using to hold it, it ran away on me. But what's our AK look like? Not much better. We got one one hit on it. I'm glad we're not shooting these for distance today, because we would be failing pretty hard. But guys, we're going to get something else set up. Don't you run off. Well, guys, to no one's surprise, they work. These cans are all to pieces. But, guys, now we're going to try our luck with some ramen and see what it does to ramen. Now, I'm expecting hilarity, but I'm going to put... that one's got a little wound in her. I'm going to put these around back of it. Is there another survivor somewhere around? Don't look like it. No, they all did. That one got a little bit left in it. And guys, like always, we will clean our range when we're finished. But for now, we're going to set those to one side. Kind of get them all piled. And we're going to make some noise. Oh, I've got so much stuff to clean now.
Looks like you're making stew.
I didn't think it would make this much mess, but oh my Lord, it's everywhere. There's no point in looking at the boxes to see where I hit. I know I hit. Well, guys, I'm gonna clean for a while, and I'll show you my next two targets. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set these two sacks of flour. We're going to set them down and put 3 shots into them. You all are dirty. Why are you being such a dirty boy like that? We're going to take 2 sacks of flour, set one for one gun, one for the other, and then, guys, we're going to take 1 bullet and see what 1 bullet does to some Mexican hominy. Should be great fun. But first things first, we got to clean up our range. Well, guys, let's get a look at it and see what we can see. All right, so our AK, I moved the sight up a little bit. You can see 1, 2, and I imagine the other one's there because it's a little bit larger. Guys, our AK is in a lot better shape as far as hitting after I fiddled with the sight a little bit. But guys, let's look at the can. Well, guys, it's really different. So that's our entry for this can, this little hole here, but both ends are bulged out and you can plainly see the back is blowed plumb out of this thing. So guys, definitely a powerful round for sure, but let's look at our other to see what it looks like. So this is what our AR did to our bag. Shoots a little bit lower than I was expecting, but 3 shots, pretty relatively close. Really not that different on this target to look at it. Let's see what this target looks like. Well, guys, obviously the back is a lot different, and the front even is blowed out some too. I don't know if this is, I think this is actually the entry. So this one is opposite. The entry is what blew out. The back didn't blow out hardly at all. It's really unique. I don't know exactly why that is. Maybe one of you gun buffs that are professional, I'm just functional, but one of you professionals might be able to tell me why the front blowed out on this one, but the back blowed out on the other one. But in the meantime, let's get more stuff set up and let's do some more fun stuff. Guys, next up on the plate, we're gonna shoot 2 liters. And of course, we gotta shake them up. That way they pop extra good. Well, I've got a survivor. I cannot stand this. Let me reload another bullet and try my luck. There we go. Yeah. Oh, Lordy. Well, guys, it works. That was fun. I love shooting soda. You guys know that to watch the channel. But guys, let's get this cleaned up. And let's get our next target, our last target, set up and ready to go. Well, guys, we got our last thing. I've never shot a 5-gallon jug of water, but today's the day. And we're not shooting just one. We're going to shoot both of them at the same time at this thing, if I can get somebody to help me. But guys, when you come back, this is going to die. Go ahead and shoot whenever. There's a little piece there, a little piece there, a little piece there. Oh, and you all are covered, of course. Guys, let's clean you all off. We're going to pick up our trash from all over the place, and I'll get you over to the bench where we can talk. All right, guys, so we have finished our day of shooting at the range, and guys, let's talk about our guns here. Our AK. Guys, I like this gun. I don't have any faults to find with this gun other than I don't like because I can't load around with the safety on. I have to have it where I can fire, and I feel like that's not terribly safe myself. Also, if you don't pull it back all the way, the bolt doesn't come completely forward. I had at least twice where I had to re-rack my gun and shoot it then afterwards, but wasn't very satisfied with that. Now, guys, there is a reason that everyone who is a gun enthusiast, except for me, of course, has an AR-15, an AR-10, an AR something. Guys, these are really nice shooting guns. Every time I pulled the trigger, it shot. If there was a bullet in the chamber, really easy recovery. You could follow your target. You saw some of my targets went flying, especially that jug after after me and the fella shooting it had a couple of shots at it. It went flying. I'm sure you all didn't see the full volley, but it was great fun. But in the meantime, I'm going to have to say, if I were buying one or the other, both of them are worth having. Neither one of them are a bad gun, but I would have the AR over the AK. But guys, that's all I have for the video today. thank you so very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification, and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It only helps me. But thanks again for watching. We'll see you somewhere in the woods or on the water.